Hey folks, Professor Johnson here, video on how to access the textbook that we're going to be using for this class. So for this class, you're obviously on this page. For this class, we are going to be using Retail Buying from Basics to Fashion. And this book is The Best Price, F-R-E-E. You don't have to pay for it. The book is in the library database. So this video was just going to show you how to access the book. But with every module that we are going to be doing this throughout this class, I will have a link to each chapter we're going to do in that module. So right now we're on we're going to do chapter 1 in this module. So the assignment will say assigned reading, and it will have a link for chapter 1 reading. So as we move forward, each chapter will have a link to that chapter included in the module. Okay, but this is how you get to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link. In the modules, the link will be under the picture. So you're going to click on the link and it's going to require for you to log in. Now, it doesn't require me to log in because I'm logged in already. So once you log in, it'll save your login. You don't have to do anything, but you're going to log into the library database. And after you log into the library database, it will take you here to Bloomsbury Fashion Central. Now, when you go to log into the library's database, you're going to use the same credentials that you use for everything else. So the same credentials that you use to log in to the portal, that you use to log into Canvas, you're going to use that same user ID and password, and then it should take you here. Okay, so it should take you right to the book. And for the purpose of this video, it's going to take you to the table of contents of the book because that's what I have it linked to. Okay, once you get to this table of contents, you can click on any of the purple and it will take you to that, any of the table of contents, it will take you to that section of the book. It's thinking, my internet connection, so there we go. All right, so we'll take you to that portion of the book. Now, God forbid, it does not take you, God forbid you click this link and it doesn't, and you log in and it doesn't take you to the book. Worst case scenario, your backup is that you can always type in retail buying here at the top, hit enter, and it'll take you to every book that has retail buying in its table of contents or in its body. So you see here that it takes us to the buying function in retailing. It's not necessarily the first chapter, but by going here, you can get to the book. Okay. Other thing that Bloomsbury Fashion Central is amazing. Sorry, just jumped into the middle, jumped into the end of the page. Is that you can type in any topic related to fashion and probably get a result. Okay, so you saw me type in that I typed in the title of the book if I wanted to research a particular retailer. So I'm going to go back in time to places that I worked before. So if I type in Nordstrom into the bar, hit search, every time that Nordstrom is mentioned in a book, it will pop up. So fashion business cases is here. I'm using some of those cases. Again, in our book, they talk about Nordstrom's and Nordstrom Rack. So that's a brand. If you want to learn about a designer, so I'm going to pick Raf. You don't know who he is. You'll find out right now. So I typed in Rap, and again, every place that he is mentioned in something, he's in here. So this book actually is a great resource. The great fashion designers from Chanel to McQueen, names that made fashion history. That's a great book. I used that in one of my other classes. Okay, so this is how the Bloomsbury Fairchild Fashion Library works. You can type in, like I said, any topic. Let me see, I'm going to type in, we're going to talk about this later, ROI. We'll talk about that later in the semester. So I typed in ROI and then it'll tell me every place that ROI is listed. So in this dictionary of fashion, it's in there. It's a dictionary of fashion, dictionary of textiles. So return on investment is the actual words. If I type in return on investment, I would probably get more results. But this is what the Bloomsbury library looks like. And like I said, every module, I will have links to the chapters that we will be using directly for those modules. But this is just the overview of how you can get to any book that they have. All right. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. Bye.